I've just come up the plot to check on the garlic, because usually at this time of year the lovely birdies have usually pulled it all out. So this bed was full, as you can see. One row has come up, and I'm not too sure if that's elephant or normal garlic, but nothing else has. So while I'm here, I'll dig out that bed and get it covered. That's the last one done, and then it's a case of coming back after Christmas and see what's happened. Hopefully the rest of the garlic will have made an appearance. If not, it's going to be the worst harvest ever. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed, but never mind. Let's get on with that other bed. There we go. The final bed put to sleep for the winter. Fell down hole. So that one there. So all that's left to say is Merry Christmas to you all, and I hope to see you in the new year. As you can see, it's really cold today. Ta-da.